Christian Huygens by Robbie Quinn. Christian was a very important physicist. Without him, we would be far, far behind where we are in physics now. But it is best to start at the beginning. Christian was born on April 16, 1629. He was Dutch, and in this time period, the 17th century, the Dutch relied on their trading, fishing, and cloth. And thanks to Dutch religious tolerance, many skilled and smart people moved and lived there. After a decline in fishing, they helped lead the agricultural revolution, building dikes and traded grain. It helped that in this time, scientists were just beginning to be recognized as something significant. Before this time, scientists were called neutral philosophers. He would go on to study law and mathematics at the University of Leiden. His discoveries are all very important and affect us even today. One of his discoveries is that he found that in a collision, momentum is neither lost nor gained. He also came up with the inverse square law of gravity. Gravity at A equals gravity at B times distance B divided by distance A squared. That basically means that the further two objects are, the gravity will be weaker, but over a larger area. But one of his most important discoveries was the pendulum clock. This was the first very accurate clock of the time. This design is still used in many clocks today. If it had not been for this invention, we may still be resetting clocks daily. This is all thanks to Christian's idol, the person he worshipped, Galileo Galilei. After inventing the clock, it had about 1 minute error a day. Later, improving it to less than 10 seconds. Then he assembled a balance wheel and spring assembly to keep the time to 10 minutes a day. This is still found in wristwatches today. It was Galileo's original design that Christian finished. Without Christian, physics might be much further behind where it is today. We would know less on the transfer of momentum, or may still be where we were before Christian. Also, the same general outcome with gravity. We may still be unknowing of the inverse square law of gravity. And finally, our clocks. Time is very important to modern-day society. We use it in most situations. Without Christian, we may be hoping and praying our clocks are all right. Overall, the best ways to describe him would be outgoing, dedicated, intelligent, creative, and important.